So hello guys, we are back again with another exciting video. My name is Shomraj and you are watching Coding Pillow, and in this video we are going to start with our menu bar component. So let's get started with it. So as you can see, we are in the project folder. So let me select the menu bar component. It is in the view folder and menu bar component. Now first of all we are going to add few predefined components from React Stack. And if you are familiar with Bootstrap, this will be easy for you. And otherwise, let's just see what we have to do. First of all, I am going to import navbar and then the brand. And now I'm just going to, so this is it. And the first thing that we have to do is to add the component navbar. Let me format it. And now after that, I'm going to add the style. It will be light and it will get expand upon medium. Navbar brand, and then in this brand I'm going to give a link and link, and this link will come from React Router DOM. So I have added it, and I'm going to give a name, last name, navbar brand. Okay, actually, if I am giving the class name, then I don't prepare the navbar one component. So I'm just going to remove this. And so here I'm going to give it a name. Suppose I'm giving this a name of mern post app. And then I'm going to add. So here I'm going to add on click. So this will just expand handle the expansion. So I'm going to add toggle handler. So this is it, and now I have to change some things. So first of all, it will not be open the menu bar, and const, I'm just going to define the method, and then it will just set is open. It will just toggle between the states true and false. So this is it. So we are now good with the toggler, and now we will have to mention collapse, and then it will take the is open property. This will be the is open, and then it will also have navbar. And now we are going to just import nav, and here also you have to mention navbar and then the class name. so that you can align the nav items. And I'm just going to align them to the right side, so I'm adding class name ml auto. And now we have to add a nav item, and in that nav item I will add link as the previous thing. So it will have class name nav link, and it will point to slash, and here let's just say it is as home. So like this, we have to mm, create a item. And for this part, I'm just going to give it add, and here create. So we have done. Now we have to import nav, and then again we have to import nav item. So and then we have to also import use state. So we have imported use states, and we have also imported all the components from the React strap, and then we have used link so that it connects to our router DOM. So let's see our UI. So yeah guys, we are in the browser and you can see our UI, Mern post app. This is our brand, and these two our nav items. So if we go to create, we are seeing this is the post create component, and if we are in the home, so you are seeing this is a post, and in the create this is the post create component, sorry. So that's it guys. We have successfully created the menu bar component, and this is it. If you have any doubts, kindly post your queries in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye.